for the first winner of Miss Universe 2024. She is the win of the first Miss Denmark 2024 will be on this 2025. So, were last morning and we 9 a.m. So, pero nakalas yung anong yung gabi. So, pero kasi nang init dito sa bedroom, dito yun sa init, yun dito yun dito sa sa aircon. Ayan, dito sa sa electric fan. Ayan, tapos yung electric fan. So, alam mo, so so protectable, so sa mga beauty pageants, sa mga beauty queens, and many more. So, alam mo ba sa next of Miss Universe 2025 will be on 74th. And don't forget the 75th anniversary. So, and don't forget in this video, like, comment, and share button, and subscribe to my channel. Peace. Bye-bye.